Hi, and welcome everyone to Tuesday Talks. This series offers relevant job search tips that are key in today's job market. I'm Leslie Stearns, Lead Talent Development Facilitator at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area. And today's topic is making a great first impression. So why are first impressions so important? When you meet someone for the first time, you make your first impression to that person very quickly. And it's easy to make a good first impression than to correct a negative one. A first impression is primarily dependent upon your nonverbal signals. To make a favorable first impression, you must use your body language to your advantage. Percentages of communication are 38% for the tonality, that's your volume and rate of speech, 7% for the words, what you actually say, and 55% for body language. So it's super important to get your body language in tune with the impression of what you want to convey. In business, the first impressions you make are crucial, and they're made faster than you think. In fact, in less than 7 seconds, people will have judged your trustworthiness, your competence, your warmth, and once someone labels you as likable or unlikable, powerful or submissive, trustworthy or devious, everything else you do will be viewed through that filter. The human brain is wired to make snap decisions when we meet someone for the first time. So it's important to know how to use body language to make those decisions work in your favor. Since first impressions are more heavily influenced by nonverbal cues rather than anything you say, if you change your body language, you can change the impression you make. Here are 6 powerful keys to making a positive first impression. First, adjust your attitude. People pick up on your attitude instantly. Attitudes that are off-putting could be angry, impatient, bored, arrogant, afraid, depressed, or suspicious. Attitudes that attract people include friendly, happy, receptive, confident, approachable, welcoming, and curious. Before you go into a conference room or a meeting or entering someone's office for a sales call or a job interview, make a choice about the attitude that you want to project and let your body respond. Tip number 2, check your posture. You can do this by raising your shoulders towards your ears, rolling them back, and then dropping them down. This will help keep your posture erect. And with your shoulders back in this position, your head will be held high. And this makes you look very confident and sure of yourself. Tip number 3, smile. A smile is the facial expression we like the most. It's an invitation, a sign of welcome. It says, I'm friendly, approachable. A tip here is to enter the room with a smile and let it widen as you look at the other person. Tip number 4, make eye contact. Looking at someone's eyes transmits energy, indicates interest and openness. However, most of us don't take this to the full advantage of this nonverbal cue. So to improve your eye contact, make a practice of noticing the eye color of everyone you meet. This will encourage you to extend your gaze a bit longer than usual. Tip number 5, raise your eyebrows. An eyebrow flash is a universal signal of recognition and acknowledgement. So briefly open your eyes more than normal to get this effect. Tip number 6, lean in. Leaning towards someone shows you're engaged and interested in them, but be respectful of other person's personal space. This means in most business situations, staying at least 2 feet away. Making a good first impression tends to provide opportunities from every encounter, from interviews to attending training sessions to business luncheons. It all presents an opportunity to network and expand your professional contact. Use these tips for your next job interview and your first day of work too. Don't forget, get enough sleep before the big day, show up early, smile, make good eye contact, Introduce yourself to the team, ask questions, take notes. Be friendly and professional. Remember, first impressions are lasting impressions. For more information on first impressions and how to prepare for a job interview, attend one of our free virtual workshops. Head to the events page on our website, workforcesolutionsrca.com, to look at all of our events and sign up for them. You can also check out the services we provide and even schedule a free session with a career counselor. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and I'm sure you'll make a great first impression at your next interview or your first day of work. Next month, join my colleague, Kelly Langley, as she talks to business services consultant Rachel Ginzer about the ways our employer relationships can help our job seekers. As always, I wish you the best of luck in your job search, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.